Hello guys, welcome back again. It's your boy Mubitech Guru. In today's video, I'll be teaching guys on how to buy your US proxy, your US static proxy, and also other proxies, other country proxies. I'll be guiding you guys through. So if you want to buy your proxy, maybe you have already funded your Geonix. Alright, I already created the tab, install the app. So here's my Geonix website. I'll be dropping the link below in the comment section or in the description. So do well to use my referral link to register. So I'm heading to this three dot at the top by the right hand corner and just to log in. So you register the account. When you register the account, you come to this resident order. This place here that shows resident order. Understand? So you tap on it. So you scroll down. So I scroll down. Well, before you buy this proxy, do well to add funds to your account. How do you add funds to your account? You need to buy this half gigabyte. You understand? Add this gig. So you click on this pay as you go. You understand? If you want to buy 3 gig, fine. If you want to buy 7 gig, fine. If you want to buy 10 gig, fine. You understand? So just do pay as you go. If you want to buy for pay as you go, that is 1 gigabyte. That is $3. You click on it and you click for this purpose of use. Purpose of use, that's the second option. Click on order. Let's go down and tap on PayPal. Then you pay. You can make your payment view Mastercards, PayPal, USDT, BTC, USDT, whatever. If you have a balance, if you have already funded it, you can pay from your balance. You understand? Then you pay. I'll also be dropping a coupon where you'll be having 15%. You understand? I'll drop a coupon. Then the price will drop. You understand? The price will drop. So the price will drop to $2 point something. So I'll drop you guys a coupon, my coupon to use. So when you fund it, you come back here. You see that it has already been funded with 1 GB. Already I'm having 19.5 GB. Although I've already used 15.7 GB from inside, and I've earned a lot from this GB. So let's go here. So if you want to add a proxy now, so when you get here, you see we have a sticky, we have a rotating. You understand? This rotating means the IP address will be rotating every what. Then you choose when you want the IP address to rotate, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, 20, 60 minutes. You understand? So that's what we call rotating. We also have sticky. Sticky is when you bought a proxy and the proxy will remain the way you buy it without not changing. Sometimes proxy do change, you understand? Sometimes the proxy do change. Maybe you don't have a good proxy, so it will definitely change. Maybe the proxy timeout or the phone switch off, the phone server switch off. So they'll still switch within that same assist. So that is the difference. The rotating means it can rotate, so it's you to set it how you want it to rotate. You understand? How you want to the appear to rotate every 20 minutes, every 15 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 5 minutes. Understand? Maybe you are doing surveys, multiple surveys, and you want it to be rotating. So you understand? You use this one. Then, but if you want it to stay like most of these surveys that we are doing now, that you need a stick, you need a proxy that don't normally rotate. So all I need to do now, if I want to like generate a US proxy, I'll start generating a US proxy. Then from then I'll generate a UK proxy. So all I need to do is just come here and just type maybe I want to generate a proxy for US, and I have a project. I have an update that I want to run. So I'll just come here and write this, and I'll just give it a name. Maybe I'm using my name MD Mobi, whatever. There's a problem. But for USA, already I know the details I'm gonna be using. Static. So then I scroll down. You see, I've already given the name. So all I need to do is just come here and select. Just type in United States. So I select United States. So okay, then here you can search any city of your choice. So you can see we have many cities, but for here I'll be using New York. So then I come here, city. So we have many cities. You understand how many cities? So I'll be selecting New York. Let's see. So selecting New York. So my ISP. So we have different ISP. So we have different resident internet service. So you can see different ISP. So let me just use this. So I can just, how do you want the format of the proxy? Is it IP and port? Login details? Yes, I always use this. So then I click on next. You create. So you wait while it's creating. You understand? You wait while it's creating. So I'm gonna be creating you the IP address that you'll be using. Understand? I'm gonna be creating this. Alright, it's loading. It's loading. As soon as it's finished, you go up and you see that it will add. Good, it is done. So I come here now. So you see, look at the proxy I just created. I just created this IP now. Yes, I just created it now. So you can see New York version 5G. All I need to do is just click on this. See all. See all. At the right hand, down, the last option. So I'm going to see my proxy now. Good. Here's your proxy. You can see. Here's the proxy format. So all I need to do is just copy all this. So I copy this and I just come here. Come to my proxy extension. Maybe I should use spam proxy. So I need to just come here and paste what I copied and just come here and copy this. I know this 10,000 is my port, so I'm deleting it. So I come to username and password now. So let's go. Okay, alright. This one now is my username based on the arrangement I did, and this is my port. You can see that's show green. When it shows green like this, when it shows green, you understand? When it shows green, that means it's active. The IP address is active. So I need to just start. So you can see it has already started. Good. See, it's success. So I just come here to check. Let me check here. Is it this app? Alright, so we can see New York has connected. Wow, this is amazing. So you can see. So good. Phenomenal. Proxy now. So there is it. This is how to check your IP address if it's working. So let me go back again and do for United Kingdom. So I'm done with this, and so let me just show this. Let me go and copy the details and save it. Alright, so come back here. Okay. Let's come here and copy these details. So I'm saving it. Okay, save. Done. So I'm done with this. I'm done with saving this. So okay, let's go for UK. Let's do for UK. So okay, I'll still do the same thing. Let's come here and do this. Then I'll just change only this. You can give it any name. So you can select any country. If you want to buy for any other countries, you can select for United Kingdom. Just come here and search for United Kingdom. You can see here's United Kingdom. You can do the same process to Australia. Just come here and search for Australia. Australia, you can see it. Then you buy your proxy, and so on and so forth. So you can do for Canada. It's the same process. Come here, British Columbia. yeah, it's so far, so far. You understand? So, but for this, I'll just do for UK and that as well. So it's for you to do for others by yourself. So United Kingdom, and I'm going to go for, let's see, I'll go for Wales. Wales are full of black Africa. So just see, let's see which one I should go for. Okay, let's see which one should I go for. Let me see which. Let's see which one should I go for. Let's see which one should I go for. Let's see. Okay, let me just go for this. Go for this. Then can go for any of these ISP is good. Any of these 1, 2. This Virgin Media, Sky Broadband, 3, BT, Vodafone, and so on and so forth. They are good. So I can just go for this Virgin Media or Sky Broadband. They are good. Remember our formats. You can use IP port, login and password. And then you click OK. So let's see. So let's see. Good. Now it has been added. You can see it already being added. Wales. So all I need to do is just come here. You see, oh, that is the last option there. You just copy my IP address. So all I need to just come here and do the needful. Come here. As always, just copy your username and password first. Your username and password. Here you put 10,000. There you go. It's 10,000 is your port. Come here, add your username and password and paste this. Copy this. So this is how to go about it. Paste it. So as you start again, you can still start until it loads. It will load might be due to network from their side there, their server there. Understand? Let me just start and see. Sometimes if it didn't work, understand, you just have to go and restart. Preparation added valid. Let me see. Alright, you see it has not show green, that means it is valid now. So let's see. Alright, sometimes if it didn't work, like I said, if it didn't work, all you need to do is just change the proxy, you understand? Regenerate it again, there you click on get start. Alright, well, it's working now, it's not active. See, it's not active, so understand it's not active. So the next thing you need to do is just click on your IP2 location or WAR.net to confirm your proxy. You can make it a WAR.net or IP proxy to just confirm. You can see United Kingdom, Great Britain, Ireland, and Wales. So that's just all. That's how to go about it. So I think that's all for the setup of your IP proxy.